students, Dr. Dinesh Prabhu from First Department. Today we are going to see one of the interesting topic, integration. Then we will discuss what are the types of integration, and later we will see what are the real life applications. Okay. So whenever we talk about integration in front of the students, they feel very difficult. Okay, you don't worry about that. I will tell you what is integration. It is very easy to understand the concept. Yeah. Later we will discuss one of the real life applications. Okay. So what is mean by integration? Anyone tell me? I'm not asking exact definition, just one line definition. Okay, no problem. In mathematics, integration is nothing but continuous function. You don't worry about continuous function. I will tell you later what is meant by continuous function. Okay, which is used to find many real life applications. For example, to find area of the surface. Otherwise, we find volume and their generalizations. Okay, so usually here I'm going to divide. Here there are two type of integration. One is a definite integral. Another one is indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. Okay. So what is mean by definite integral? So whenever we talk about integral, usually is related to definite integral only. Okay. So what is mean by definite integral means to find the area of the curve. To find the area of the curve between two specific points. Otherwise, we have to find a distance between one point to another point. Okay, so that is called a definite integral. Usually, we write the mathematical expression is integral a to b f of x into dx. So we are going to define two specific points. One is a, another one is b. Coming to indefinite integral, we are not specific point. Okay, so to find the antiderivative of the any one of the functions, okay, which is written as integration f of x into dx. Okay, so here when you solve this type of problem, you will get final answer is some constant. Okay, you will not get any functions. Okay, because we consider some constant point. Coming to indefinite integral, so when you solve same problem here, you will get any one of the family of the functions. If you consider f of x equal to x, you will get another function x squared by 2. If you consider sin x or cos x, you will get another family of trigonometric functions. Okay, so this is called definite, this is called indefinite. So what is difference between definite and indefinite? Only one line. Definite means we have to define specific point. Indefinite means we are not define specific point, and also you will get anti-differentiation. That means reciprocal of differentiation. What is differentiation of sin cos? What is integration of cos? You get sin. Okay, so these are the main two types. So now coming to next one, we are going to see what are the real life applications of integrations. Okay, for example, I'm going. Can you tell me what is the real life applications of single integral? This type of integral. Any real life applications? Okay, no problem. So I'm going to consider one of the real life application. I'm going to find a distance between RMK CET to Red Hills. Okay, we know around how many kilometers from here to there. Let us consider approximately 20 kilometers. Okay, so I'm going to, so we know answer is 20 kilometers, right? So I'm going to define suitable functions. Okay, and also suitable limit values. Why? Because we fixed 2 points. One point RMK CET, sorry, RMK, another point is Red Hills, right? So here I'm going to fix whenever we find a distance, the starting point is always we consider 0, right? So 0. End point we know. So 20 kilometers around, we get 20 kilometers. Okay. So now I'm going to fix one suitable function. Okay, here I'm going to fix one function, that is f of x. F of x is constant function 1 into dx. Right? So we know some basic properties of integral. What is integration of dx? X. So you get substitute upper limit minus lower limit, you get 20 minus 0, you get 20. So you get a end point. Okay, so what is the main application of single integral? We are going to find a distance from here to there. Okay, distance between one point to another point. Suppose we are using double integral. So we consider two function f of x comma y dx. So we consider two dimension. Okay, what is the main application of double integral? we're going to find the area. Suppose I'm going to find what is the area of this portion. So we know length into breadth. Okay. So we consider one integral is length, another one integral is breadth. So solving this problem, you get answer. Okay. So this is advanced tool for comparing a single integral. Let us consider I'm going to find the same surface area by using single integral. Is it possible? Here only one integral is there, but we have to find the surface area. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So here I am going to consider number of sides. This is what one dimension, right? If you this is another dimension. So we have to find number of sides. Then adding all sides, you get area. Okay, what is triple integral application? Volume. Okay, let us consider three dimension, right? So f of x comma y comma z into dx dy dz. One axis. Let us consider our group. You consider one axis x, another axis is y, one more axis is z. Okay. So we can able to find directly what is volume of this classroom. Same question. We have to find volume by using single integral. Is it possible? Otherwise, using double integral, we can able to find volume. Is it possible or not? It is also possible. In this room, how many sides are there? 6 sides are there. Top, bottom, left, right, front, back. So what is the concept of double integral? We are going to find the area. So this is one area, one surface. So find all 6 surface, adding all 6 surface, you get volume. So if you use this tool, we are going to consider number of sides. In each surface, 4 sides. So into 6, you get 24 sides. You will get volume of volume of the given problem, right? So it will take time for using single integral. If you use directly triple integral, it is very we can able to find within 1 or 2 minutes, right? So this is the main application. So coming to conclusion, what we discussed is what is integration. Integration is nothing but we have to find many real life applications. What are the applications? Distance, area, then volume. Okay. So how many types are there? 2 types. One is definite integral, indefinite. What is difference between definite and indefinite? Definite means we have to specific any 2 point. Indefinite means we are not specific the point. Okay, if you consider same function, here we will get you this is constant. If you consider same function 1, integration of 1 into dx, so you get x. So here this is not function, this is function, this is not constant. So if you substitute any values, you will get some different outputs. Okay. So here we have to specific the points. Here without specifying the points, you will get into the okay. You made the problem, sir. Okay, you have any doubt?